Hi you guys, welcome back to the channel, Our Relax on Life. Today we are doing another yoga video from our series, Do Yoga Anywhere. I'll put a link in the description below of where you can get these cards. Now these cards have how to do the pose and the benefits and also a quote. So I'm going to show you the 3 poses that we're going to be doing today. Okay, so the first one we're gonna do is half Lord of the Fishes pose, or better known as seated twist. Now the benefits of this one is it stimulates the digestion system, energizes the spine, stretches your shoulders and neck, and opens the hips. So that's what it looks like. There. The next one is called cow face pose. The benefits of that is hips. It stretches the hips and thighs, stretches the shoulders, triceps, and chest, strengthens the spine and abdominal muscles. All right, then the final pose is the pigeon pose. It opens up the hips, stimulates the internal organs, and calms the brain, and stretches the glute muscles. All right, let's roll out our mats and let's get started. So we're gonna start in seated twist, or better known as half Lord of the Fishes pose. It's a mouthful, isn't it? So I'm going to sit in a side view so you can see better. So you're going to have one leg left or right, doesn't matter. Have one leg over top. You're going to put your opposite arm over and twist and look to the one side. And I want you to listen to the birds, get one with nature, get connected, and just remember to breathe. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Now we're going to do it to the other side now. Breathe in and out. Breathe in. Breathe in and out. All right, next we're going to be doing pigeon pose. And the last pose was card number 25. Pigeon pose is card number 36. So you're gonna bend one leg and then have one leg out. And just lay there for a moment. Forget about what's going on in your life. Breathe in and out. Breathe in. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Now we're going to do the same thing to the other side. So one leg bended and one leg back. Enjoy the sun. Get connected, unplug. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Slowly come up. All right, so we are going to do, last pose is cow face pose. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to sit, cross, you're going to twist your legs in opposite directions. And then put them close together. And then have one arm over and the other one. And basically, you're going to touch your hands together like this in the back. If you can, if not, it's not a big deal. So you're gonna breathe in and smile. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Now we're going to do this to the other side. Let's put your opposite leg on top of the other one. And then opposite arms. You're going to smile. Breathe in and out. Breathe in. Read an anonymous quote on one of the cards that said, the yoga pose that you need the most is the one that you skip. And can't that be even any more true? I want to say namaste. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and follow us on social. We do discussions on there. There's questions that I asked, and then we do our best to answer them, and you won't miss another video as well. Bye for now.